Hello, this is Fumichika. Please call me Fumi. I'm a customer support from OpenLM. Today, I would like to explain how to install the end user service and the new agent, new agent. And I would like to start with the identity service and OpenLM server, how it works. So in identity service, you will enable the OpenLM server in the security mode. So if you turn it on, OpenLM server will be protected by security. So you need to, first of all, you need to go to the just in case, I'm using OpenLM Cloud now. So this is a cloud service, not on-premise, but the same. The concept is the same. So if you go to the administration panel and system and security, you you go to the authorization, and then you can add agent and the end user service, and then download the secret key and then client ID for security mode. Okay. After that, uh, you have to, while installation, you have to import this authorization file. Before installation, I would like to explain a little bit of the infrastructure. So in each workstation, you install the new agent in in each user workstation. And then end user service, you install in the maybe OpenM server machine or any third party machine. And then OpenLM new agent will connect to OpenM server and user service. And then, as usual, you can open up the OpenM server user interface called Easy Admin in any device within the same LAN, the same network. Uh, the same thing is for the end user service UI. You can open up the browser UI in any device in the same network. So many agent is connecting to end user service and the OpenM server. So I would like to start to install end user service. So please choose on-premise if you are using on-premise. I'm connecting to OpenM Cloud, so I will choose OpenM Cloud. Then, in case of cloud, you don't have to care about this. You can just click next. But for on-premise, you have to specify the OpenLM server host name and port. So port is default is 5. I mean, like OpenLM server port is 5015, so don't change. So just type the host name. Then you have to import the authorization file. Click next, install. Then finish. And then next, new agent. New agent you have to install. Next. And then if you install the I mean like each user installs the AutoCAD, ArcGIS, MATLAB, SolidWorks, ArcGIS, or something like that. It will be checked, automatically detected and checked here. If it's grayed out, it's not installed on the user's computer. And then on-premise or cloud. In my case, I will choose cloud, but in your case, most of the case on-premise, so please choose on-premise. And then I don't have to type the, no, I mean like end user service. So you have to specify the host name of the machine you install the end user service. Just in case, like I installed in my computer, so I can just click next as a local host. But I will explain the on-premise. On-premise as well. In case of on-premise, the server is inside your network, so you have to specify the OpenLM server machine host name. And then if you are using applications manager, you have to specify the host name of the machine you installed application manager, and then the same for end user service. Okay. So you don't have to change the port. All of the ports are default. Then you can import the authorization file, agent, install, finish. Now you can, okay. So yeah, it will open up the personal dashboard automatically. So please see here. So this is the Cloud Easy Admin, right? So please see the license servers list like this. So it will be reflected in the end user service personal dashboard like this. And then you can see if user is using that license server, you will see the user here. So going back to the structure, we install that talking about legacy agent, we the same like we install the agent on the each workstation, and each workstation has got the agent console. So console is the structure of the console is the same. Like you can see the license repository, license servers list, and then who is using here. And then recently close, like this is a license harvest, save and close, resume, suspend and resume or something like that. And then project as well. Yeah. And then you can adjust the ArcGIS product licensing level as well. You can see the document here on the website. Yeah. So, okay. Uh, one distinctive characteristic of NewAgent, you can monitor the URL like a browser. So if you go to the administration panel and then license manager server, I've already added the Google Hangout as a URL, hangouts.google.com, like this. And then, yeah, like I, like, uh, like choosing the license server type, you can choose browser and then put the URL here. And then right now, it show you the warning, not a green light, but it's okay. Not green, but it's okay. It's monitoring. And then if you go to the license activity, browser, choose browser, and then maybe, yeah, you can specify the date and then apply. Then you will see the user's activity for that URL. And then group by, then you will see the total usage time. Something like that. Please play around a little bit and then you will grasp the idea of new agent and then end user service. So thank you very much. Bye now.